Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to securely move your Ethereum is essential for protecting your investments and exploring new opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app updated to the latest 2025 version. It's packed with enhanced security features and a sleeker interface. Start by opening the app and logging into your account with your usual credentials. If you're using two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend, go ahead and verify that too. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section. You'll see all your assets listed. Scroll down until you find Ethereum. Tap on it to open the details page. Here, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. In 2025, Robinhood has made this even easier with a dedicated crypto management tab. Pro tip: double-check that you're selecting the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet, to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, you'll need to enter the destination wallet address. This is crucial. Copy and paste it carefully from your external wallet, such as MetaMask or a hardware wallet, to prevent any errors. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm the amount you're transferring, so decide how much Ethereum you want to move and review any associated fees. Fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to save some cash. After you've filled in the details, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a summary screen. Take a moment to read through it. Once you're satisfied, approve the transaction. Robinhood will process it, and depending on the blockchain's speed, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour in 2025, thanks to potential upgrades in Ethereum's scalability. And just like that, you're done. Your Ethereum should now be on its way to your new wallet. Always monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went smoothly. Remember, the crypto space is all about security, so never share your private keys and consider using cold storage for long-term holdings. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.